Hello everybody, hope you're well. So far our application was like that. In the previous lesson we can navigate to the blog, contact and home. So let's go to our code. So there is a situation that we need to uh, move the contact and blog like application related page in one folder. Let's say it's application page, my bad, application page. Now move to blog in application page. Also move contact to application page. Blog and contact are moved to the application page folder. Let's go to our application. It's running. Let's click on blog. So this page is not found, so we have to add blog application page before the URL. Let's go to the neighbor. Then there will be application page, and also contact have application page. Let's move to the code and reload it. Let's go to the blog page, yeah, and contact. So now it's all looking perfect, all are working, but this application page slash contact, this thing looks ugly. So we want to remove this application page. Thus our URL will be like localhost 3000 slash contact, but this will actually reach to our contact page without omitting this intermediary path. So for achieving this we can use route grouping concept. So how's route grouping actually work? So if we want to omit a folder from our URL, we can apply curly braces, not curly braces, it's brackets. After applying this route group, let's go to the application. Our application now will not we did not need to include this application page on our URL. Let's go to our application and look what's happened when you click on the blog. Look at that, application slash blog, application page slash blog, it's not reaching. So we need to omit application page from our URL. Let's remove this. Let's remove this and go to the application, reload our application now. Look, our application, go to the blog and blog is working, and go to contact and contact also working. And look at that, when you go to the home page, the layout also working perfectly. This global, the home page has only one global layout, and the text from the I have changed the template, and yeah, so homepage has only one global layout, so there is nothing in the layout. That's why homepage is intact. And when you go to the blog page, so this is header from blog page, this is blog page. So when you go to the blog page, there is one layout. So this is header from blog page, so this layout is applying. And when you go to the blog one, so there is also one, this is header of blog one. When you go to the blog one, so this header of blog page and this header of blog one layout also applying. So when we apply the group routing, the folder name will be omit from the route name, but all the layout will be applied equally and perfectly as usual. So that's why actually on blog page the layout, and on the blog one page all the layout are working perfectly. If we also create one layout here, layout.tsx, so let's copy another layout from there and make this layout, and name is this is group layer layout. Look at this, this is group layer layout are visible here. If you go to the blog page, this is group layer layout is visible here. So layout is working perfectly. So if we make a group route by applying a brackets, so the folder name will be omit from our URL, but layout and pages all will be applying perfectly, applying as usual. So if you go to the blog page and let's say we want to, yeah, it's layout, yeah, all are perfectly working there. So I hope so you may get the point. We can apply group layout whenever we want to organize our code, like that we want to organize our code by a section wise, but we don't want to show the section name on our route, or look or think about that there is different team working on a project. So we can also organize our all the pages folder in a group. So we don't want to we will grouping according to the team name, but we don't want to visible this team name on our URL. Then we can apply group layout. Also, you can organize your code whatever you want, and you can apply group layout on your business logic. So I hope you got the point. Thank you for watching this video.